Namaskar. Nowadays, a lot of you are trying to do a lot of different things to build muscles, and protein shakes have become a very popular choice to build muscles. But these commercial protein shakes, are they safe? Have you ever wondered what is really inside these protein powders? Let's take a look. Most protein powders are packed with artificial sweeteners and added sugars, which are really bad for your health and weight. These sweeteners can lead to problems like obesity and diabetes. On top of that, some protein powders might contain harmful chemicals and heavy metals that can damage your kidney, liver, and overall health. It was found that many protein powders had detectable levels of BPA or bisphenol A, an industrial chemical used in manufacturing plastic items. Studies have linked BPA to cancer and infertility. All this does not suggest that commercial protein shakes are good ways to build muscles. So, what's the alternative? Let's make a natural protein shake made at home with simple whole food ingredients that are safe and incredibly effective. Here's why homemade protein shakes are better. You control the ingredients, ensuring no harmful additives. It's full of natural nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And very importantly, it is affordable. Now let's make a homemade protein shake that's excellent for building muscles. The ingredients you need are soya flour 1 tablespoon, ragi flour 1 tablespoon, oats 1 tablespoon, sattu 1 tablespoon, almond 4 to 5, walnuts 2 whole, dates 1 with seeds removed, 1 fig, milk or water 200 ml. To make this protein shake, roast the soya flour, ragi flour and oats in a dry pan with a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. This enhances their flavor and removes the raw taste. In a blender, add almonds, walnuts, figs, and date. Blend them until it is finely grounded or slightly chunky, depending on your preference. Add the roasted flour, sattu, and milk or water to the blender. Blend until smooth. If a shake is too thick, then add more water or milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time until you achieve your desired consistency. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom for extra flavor. If you bake this protein shake with milk, it would be one serving for an adult person and will give you about 23 grams of protein. The benefits of this homemade protein shake are soya flour, sattu, and nuts provide excellent protein sources. Oats, dates, and figs supports digestion. Ragi and nuts offer calcium, iron, and healthy fat. So, this shake is not only delicious but also gives your body everything it needs to build and repair muscles after a workout, and that too without harmful additives or chemical ingredients. Protein shake industry may be at full hype and make many false promises, but remember, the real power lies in using natural and wholesome ingredients. By making your protein shake at home, here you are taking control over your health and fitness journey. Stay healthy, stay strong, and take care of your body. It's the only one you have. Namaskar.